Is Squarespace worth it in 2022? Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you, is Squarespace still worth it, or is it better than other website builder tools out there? So having said that, let's just jump into the video. Now as you can see, I'm over here on Squarespace, and I've used it a lot in the past, and I've found a lot of cool things about Squarespace, but there are also very negative things about them. So first up, let me just tell you about it. So Squarespace is pretty amazing. If I were to compare it with Wix or Weebly or even WordPress, I would say it stands pretty good, but I would still, prefer WordPress or Wix over Squarespace. I mean, if I were to compare it with Weebly, then of course Weebly doesn't, compare to Squarespace. In my opinion, Wix and Squarespace are a little bit better, right? Now, one of the good things I like about Squarespace is its ease of use. Like you can quickly sign up onto Squarespace and you can quickly create a website in a matter of minutes and you are good to go, right? And you can start your own business online as well, which I think is pretty cool. There are a lot of good features about Squarespace, but what I have found negative about Squarespace is its limited templates. Like you can't create a lot of websites using Squarespace. Like if you were to, go ahead and create a website, if you were to, use a view and see that's templates, you will see it's not a lot, right? So let me just show you real quick. All the templates are really similar to Squarespace. So are really similar to each other. All the templates are really similar to each other. There's not a lot of things going on over here, right? Which is pretty sad to say as well. But if I were to compare it with Wix, however, Wix on the other hand has amazing templates. Like all its templates are very unique. Nothing is, similar. Have hundreds and hundreds of pages dedicated to templates, which I think is pretty amazing. So if you wanted to create a website that looks unique, then I would suggest go with Wix. But if you were, wanting to create a website with, marketing features like, abandoned carts and, other marketing features, then I would say Square has those features. But as I said before, it all depends on your personal preference when you boil it down to it. As I said before, both are very cool looking websites. Now, if you were to, go ahead and buy Squarespace, of course, except for WordPress, Squarespace, Wix.com, and even Weebly.com, they all provide you with free trials that you can use, but WordPress does not. So, in my opinion, if you wanted to find out which one was better, then I would suggest going on and getting free trials on all three of them and trying to find out which one do you think is better. For me personally, I've found Wix to be better. Let me just show you in a second. I will show you about Wix, right? But as you can see over here, they don't have a lot of templates, and the templates that they do have, they're all really similar, right? The builder website building tool of Squarespace is very similar to Wix. It has the same amount of, it's pretty similar, like it has almost the same amount of options when it comes to editing a website, like, drag and drop. It's a simple drag and drop type of builder. So for example, if I were to see this, edit this website, I just simply click on it over here. It's going to quickly set up everything and it'll show me how it looks like. So while it does that, let me show you over here on Wix. So Wix has a lot of, templates, as I said before. So we're to create a new site. Let me just skip these questions real quick. And yeah, I'm going to click on edit a template so that we can see all of the templates. So over here, if I click on all templates right here, you will see it has a lot of pages, right? Like almost 71 pages over here, full of templates, and each template is different, is unique. All right, so in my opinion, that's why I like, Wix, because of all the templates that they have, and they have newer templates, being made over here on Wix all the time. So, and it's very easy as well. It has a lot of customization options and all of that. As I said before, if you wanted a website that looks very unique, then I would suggest Wix. But if you wanted a website that has that had to do with some sort of marketing elements or stuff like that, then of course Squarespace also has that. But I would suggest that all the options that Squarespace, Wix has them as well. So at the end of the day, as I said before, it boils down to personal experience and personal preferences, and also the pricing of it as well. So if we were to take a look at the pricing plans for Squarespace and Wix, so over here, as you can see, this is the Wix pricing plan. So you have the free plan, the combo plan, the unlimited plan, VIP, and all of that. And the enterprise is around $500 a month, right? All the plans are somewhere around 40 to 50. Like the smaller plans cost you 14, 18, 23, $39, $23, and $27 and $50 a month, right? And if you were to take a look at Square, the pricing is very similar, but it's, a little bit more cheaper over here. So personal plan is going to cost you $14 a month. There is no free plan. And the business plan is 23 and the commerce plan is 27, right? And they give you all these bunch of different features as well. Whereas, over here you get even more features and plans over here, and a lot of people recommend Wix as well, which I think is pretty cool. Now, if I were to actually compare these two websites, let me just actually compare them. Wix versus Squarespace. So if I were to, compare these two, you will see all of the, pros and cons of it as well. So over here on this, website, they basically compare you with everything. So over here, forms, Wix has them with Wix Forms app, and Squarespace, you have to integrate them with another app called Mute. Live chat, Wix has them. You have to compare it. You have to, even the Squarespace, you have to, integrate it with a third party provider such as Twak and Takeout. Wix has them. Squarespace requires an integration. So a lot of things, Squarespace requires with integrations. So let's go ahead and check out the pricing plans of it as well. So over here, as you can see, Squarespace does have the, lower pricing, but as you can see over here, the combo plan is worth $13 on Wix, and the Squarespace personal plan is around $12, right? So it's pretty simple. Whereas over here, as you can see, there is a problem with Wix bandwidth limitations. All Squarespace plans have unlimited bandwidth, but combo plan does not have it. But the Wix's cheapest plan has a 2 GB limitation, which is ridiculous in 2022. It should be unlimited as well. So as I said before, it all comes down to personal preferences. I personally like to use Wix, because of its pricing plan. It is a little bit cheaper. And Squarespace is also cheaper, but Wix is, I think, a little bit expensive, but that's on the higher end type of plans. What I'm using is basically a personal plan. So what I'm using is basically a combo plan, so which is like $13, and it's pretty nice. And you get all the functionality, all the pros and cons, every single feature that Wix offers, which is pretty amazing. So as I said before, if you like to use Squarespace, then of course you can use them. But if that's your go-to, a website builder tool that has very unique templates and that's easy to use and integrate, then I would recommend Wix. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below. And also let me know which website builder tool do you plan on using, or are you currently using as well. I would like to know that. And I would like to know which one you think is better. So let me know in the comment sections down below. I am interested in knowing what you guys think. So pretty much that's it. That's all the things you needed to know about Wix and Squarespace. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications. And I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.